Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify IRS Form W-9 for payments with PayPal, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify IRS Form W-9 for payments received via PayPal, start by accessing your PayPal account. Log into your PayPal account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Activities section in the top menu. In the Activities section, locate and click on a transaction that you need to verify. At the Transaction Details page, look for the name and email address of the sender. Now, proceed to cross-check this information against the W-9 form you have on file. Open the W-9 form to ensure all fields are filled out correctly. Pay attention to the name, business name, and taxpayer identification number on the form. Make sure that the name on the W-9 matches the sender's name on the PayPal transaction. If the transaction involves a business, verify that the business name matches as well. Next, check the taxpayer identification number against your records. Confirm whether it is a social security number or an employer identification number. Ensure the W-9 has the correct tax classification selected, such as individual, corporation, or partnership. If any details do not match, reach out to the sender to rectify any discrepancies. Once verified, take note of the payment amount for your records. It's also wise to keep a copy of the W-9 form for future reference. Finally, make sure to stay compliant with IRS guidelines regarding reporting payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.